Just short of 30 years ago, the great Council of Chiefs heard what became one of the most famous speeches in Fiji's history. The late Honorable Justice Jairam Reddy, then leader of the opposition, was the first Indo-Fijian leader to address the Council. I will recall the memorable and powerful statements he made on that occasion. I'm going to summarize two of them. Mr. Reddy called on the Great Council of Chiefs to be a foundation of unity for our nation. And he summoned that those listening to him were chiefs, not just of the indigenous Fijians, but of all the peoples of Fiji. I could never match the eloquence of Mr. Reddy, but I can echo what he said. Like him, I believe you have a destiny that goes beyond tradition and culture. You must be chiefs for all. I understand very clearly that you have a particular agenda to expedite the progress of iTaukei, and I very much agree with that. But I also ask you to use your combined wisdom, your knowledge, your authority in an inclusive manner that will generate benefits for everyone. If you can help the government with its policy to reduce poverty and to create more opportunity and prosperity across our community, then you will be models of leadership for a new Fiji. In all humility, I urge you to join in this great mission of making Fiji once again a symbol of hope in the world.